The AWD High Temp warning in your Nissan Rogue, especially 2014-2023 models, indicates potential overheating in the all-wheel drive system. This commonly involves the transfer case. Common causes include low or degraded transfer case fluid, faulty temperature sensors, or demanding driving conditions like towing or off-roading. Nissan issued a recall in 2023 for 2019-2021 Rogue Sport AWD vehicles due to transfer case fluid leaks. Early warning signs include reduced AWD performance or unusual noises. Keep an eye out for these. Let's troubleshoot the AWD High Temp warning with practical solutions. First, check your transfer case fluid level and condition. Use Nissan Matic S fluid or equivalent. A fluid change typically costs around $150. Next, inspect the temperature sensor on the transfer case. Replacement is sometimes necessary. Remember that 80% of these warnings relate to fluid issues, not major failures. For high-mileage vehicles, a clogged transfer case filter is often the culprit. A DIY flush and filter replacement can resolve this issue and save on repair costs. More modern Rogues and Rogue Sports have firmware updates that allow you to monitor AWD temperatures remotely through an app, reducing the need for dealership visits. If problems persist, consult a certified mechanic. For 2019-2021 Rogue Sport AWD vehicles, check if your vehicle was part of the 2023 recall due to potential fluid leaks.